If you want to learn how to share your model just like this so other people can get it, be sure to watch till the end of the video. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go ahead to roblox.com/develop, and then you're going to go ahead, head into models, and then you just want to pick the one that you're going to upload. So I'm going to be uploading the one from last video, which is the toolbox. So you can go ahead and press the settings bar on that and press configure. And then once you're in configure, you just want to scroll down, you want to press allow copying, and you can just write for copy up here. It's up to you. I'm just going to leave it like this, press save, and that's basically it. So now let's just go ahead and test it. Now the link that you got when uploading it, you can just go ahead and give that to someone, tell them to paste in their URL, and it brings you to your page, and then that person can go ahead and get it for free, and then they can just like it, favorite it, and that's basically. So this was just a short, simple tutorial how to share your models, since a lot of you guys were asking it for my last video, how to publish a model. So if you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because it really helps out a lot, and we're almost at 30 subs. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.